Hold up. Let's start from the beginning. So this is by far the craziest idea I've ever had. I'm gonna ask my girlfriend out to prom on a helicopter. So obviously with everything happening, all our senior activities got canceled, including prom. And personally, I don't care, but someone I know who's been looking forward to it probably their whole high school year is my girlfriend. Now sadly, I can't make prom happen, but I bet she was definitely looking forward to being asked out to prom. Well, at least I hope she was. So first things first, I had to get approval from her parentals, so I texted my girlfriend's sister and I asked her if she can ask for me, and after about 2 days, we got the approval. Now we just had one more obstacle in the way. So Chris recently just got hired to her first new job, but they hadn't released the schedules yet, so I called where she works to see if I could get information about her schedule.
Thank you for calling. I'm gonna help you.
Hello, yes. I was wondering if I could speak to a manager.
Who's asking?
Oh, Nestor. I don't know if you know Christina.
Christina. I mean, we don't have anyone working under that name. Is she?
Oh, no. Yeah, she just got hired.
You're
Awesome.
Not, Nestor from like YouTube, right?
Yes. Oh shit.
I follow you on Instagram and I subscribe to your channel.
Oh dude, no way. Oh dude, bro, that's.
I don't know if you want to call in like 10 minutes and ask for me, Jonathan.
Okay.
So just so I can check the schedules, because right now we have people in line. Is that fine?
Oh yeah, that's perfect, dude. Thank you, appreciate it. Jonathan, if you're watching this, dude, thank you so much. You're a queen. Like, you made this so easy. And now that we got everything out of the way, it was time to book the tickets and surprise Chris. Oh, and also, she's not a morning person, so I thought the best time to surprise her was when she's asleep. Wish me luck.
What is your problem?
What?
Who the hell let you in? Bitch, I just woke up from a scary dream. Who let you in?
We're kind of gonna go to Six Flags in 3 hours.
What?
We're gonna go to Six Flags in 3 hours.
Who?
You and me.
For real?
Yeah. That's why I'm here.
You asked my friend?
Yeah.
I've been for real?
Yeah, I'm being for real. Yeah.
For real? You're gonna drive?
Nah.
Who's gonna take me?
Mike's gonna drive us. We finally arrived. Are you excited?
Super excited.
Hey Mike, thanks for driving us, dude.
You're welcome. It was an awesome drive.
Hey, how about we get on some rides?
Yes.
Okay. How do you feel getting on the first ride? Being somebody Goliath. We're about to get on the Iron Rattler. Hey, put it in, Mike. We got on all the best rides. Chris, what do you think?
It was awesome.
It was awesome. But the fun's not done yet. We got one more stop to go. Well, you'll see right now.
What? What are you talking about?
We got one more stop to go.
Where? What is it?
Are you excited?
Yes.
Keep your eyes closed, Chris. But what do you think it is?
I hear a sprinkler.
A sprinkler? Chris, give me one more guess.
Is it a field?
Huh?
Is it a field?
It's kind of like a field. Open your eyes. We are going on a little helicopter tour. I'm not playing.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
For real?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. Are you excited, Chris?
Yeah.
You say now my boyfriend got us a little
helicopter
trip.
Yeah.
Your first time.
Yeah.
Super excited.
Oh my God! You know what I'm saying? Oh my God, dude. you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like. And Chris, did you like your surprise?
I have the best boyfriend ever.
Peace out, guys.